In this video, I will be showing you how to install Claude Code in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Claude Code. We'll be having the official link from Anthropic. Select this, and here just click on this documentation, and in documentation just select overview. If you just scroll down, here we are having Claude Code for various things for terminal, VS Code, desktop app, web and JetBrains. Our focus is on terminal, and if you scroll down, we'll be having commands for macOS, Linux and for Windows PowerShell. So we'll be using this one, and if you scroll down over here, we need to have Git for Windows. So if you don't have Git, make sure that you are installing it. And the steps to install Git is so simple. Just search for Git and click on the first link, and here we are having install for Windows. We need to select either Windows 64 or ARM. I will just go with Windows 64. It is around 62 MB in size, so just be patient. Open it. We'll be getting the Git setup. Select next. This is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it. Click on next. These are fine. Next. Next. I'm just going to go with the default one. You can choose the editor of your choice over here. Next. Next again. Keep going. And click on install. Once it is done, click on finish. Now just go to search and open command prompt. Just type the command git space ---- version, and we are having the git version. That's good. Now we can continue our installation. So just copy this command, and we need to run this in Windows PowerShell. So go to search, type PowerShell. We'll be having this. Open it and just paste this command. Hit enter. In a while we'll be getting setting up Claude Code, so just be patient. After some time we'll be getting Claude Code successfully installed, and it says the next step is run Claude ---- help. But before that, it's asking us to add this particular path in environment variables and restart the terminal. So just copy this path. Okay, Control C and go to search and type environment. We'll be having this edit the system environment variables. Open it, click on environment variables, and here in path under user variables or system variables, click on edit, new, and just paste this particular path and just select OK everywhere, and we can simply close it. Now open command prompt. It's going to be Claude -v, and as you can see, I've got the Claude Code version, which means that everything is perfectly set. Next, it's going to be Claude space ---- help, and these are the commands that we can use along with Claude Code. Now let's see how we can use Claude Code. So for that, just type Claude and hit enter. That's it. We'll be getting this welcome to Claude Code, and first thing is we need to do some basic setup and signing up. So here we are having the theme. Simply use your arrow keys to toggle, and we are getting a preview how each theme looks. So just set the theme of your choice and hit enter. And next is really important step, how we are going to log in into Claude Code. So they are giving three options. One is Claude account with subscription. So if you're having your Claude web account, you can use it to sign in over here. And next is by using API. So if you have Claude credits in Anthropic console, you can also use that. And apart from that, we are having third-party platform. So just choose your sign-in option. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.